Instagram, Facebook, you know my story. My counselor told me in my sophomore year, go check on your teeth. Just see how they're doing. Luckily, I did, and I was able to save my teeth, and I have dentures after 19, 20, or 30 years old. Heading to the dentist today just so I can make your experience easier when you're getting your teeth clean. I'm going to give you three things you can do. Just two things you can do to make your cleaning easier. One, make sure you brush your teeth before you go to the dentist. Number two, floss your teeth. If you just floss your teeth, and the bonus one is if you had a water pick, use the water pick. I have over 38 years in the dental experience. That means nothing to you. But this is look at what I'm trying to do is that's going to make you more relaxed and have more confidence to go to the dentist. So, put off all these expensive procedures where it's costing you thousands of dollars time like I had to do. I don't want, like with my bone marrow, then the braces, I don't want that to happen to you. Preventive maintenance saves you money. Subscribe now.